Black Friday and Cyber Monday is just few weeks away. Most of the brands have already started their sale, their pre-Black Friday sale. So in this video, I am going to show you how to run Facebook ads in Black Friday or get the maximum out of these holiday season. In this video, I am going to show you three campaigns that I am going to use for all my clients, and I am going to tell you how to structure your Facebook ads, how to strategize your campaigns, and how many campaigns you need to run to get the maximum out of it. We'll definitely talk about what kind of ad creatives you can use and how to use your budget in this time. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 75 million in revenue for my clients. Do not skip this video, try to watch it in full because each and every step is really crucial for your campaigns. Only 5 to 10 minutes from your day, if you watch it whole, you will have a complete guide how to run Facebook ads for this quarter, because this is not the time to test. This is the time to get maximum sales out of this holiday season and get the new customer for your business that will help you grow your business in coming months. So do not skip this video. Please watch this video entirely. You will have a great understanding how you can run Facebook ads in fourth quarter. So let's jump into my screen. So before starting these campaigns, I'll just tell you that you do not need to touch your evergreen campaigns. These types of campaigns are run for limited time only. So do not touch your evergreen campaigns or do not change that budget. All the things that you are going to do for Black Friday, Cyber Monday or holiday or Christmas, this will be in the separate campaigns. So do not touch your evergreen campaign, let them run. This is something for holiday seasons. You must have budget for this, like $1,000, $2,000 or 10k, 20k, depending on the size of the business and the amount of volume that you want to generate. The budgeting is all depend on that. So I'll just tell you what kind of budgeting you can do with it. Let's start with these campaign. So first sales campaign that you want to create is the Advantage Shopping Plus campaign. Hit the continue button, go down, choose the desired location, website or shop or website, whichever place you want people to buy from. Choose the correct pixel. Performance goal is maximum number of conversion. Correct pixel. Purchase is the conversion event. Now go to your audience locations. We are running ads in the United States, so we don't need to touch it. It will be in the United States. We do not need to exclude any locations. Right, in your reporting section, please define your engaged audience in existing customer. This is a dummy ad account, so this is not present over here, but you need to define your existing customers and engaged audiences. Engaged audiences are the people who have interacted with your website but didn't buy from you. So these are the people who are in engaged audiences. Existing customers are the people who have bought from you and your Shopify list, your Klaviyo list or any other CRM that you use to manage your email addresses and the customer data, uploaded over here. So for example, if you want to spend around $1,000 for per day for Black Friday, then you need to place 40% of the budget in ASC campaign, that is $400. Your daily budget will be $400 for ASC campaign. You can start it from the next day. Click the next. We'll talk about ad parts later. Let's create another campaign. Second campaign that you want to launch is sales campaign, but this time not Advantage Plus shopping campaign. Here you will be using manual sales campaign. Hit the continue. This is a manual sales campaign. Just keep it sales campaign. Here what we are going to do is we will be using Advantage campaign budget, that is CBO. So we have already used $400 out of $1,000 for Advantage Plus shopping campaign. Now I will use 40% of the more budget in this. So we will be using $400 over here also, and we will be using Advantage campaign budget. Campaign build strategy is always highest volume because we want Facebook do the best judging of where they want to spend and we want maximum number of conversions in this time frame. Again, go to the reporting section and create these audiences. Define these engaged audiences and existing customers. Hit the next. Now we will be selecting conversion location, website. Performance goal is maximum number of conversion. Pixel. Conversion event is purchase. We will not be using dynamic creatives because here we are not trying to test new ad creatives or videos over here, and we will be choosing the United States because we are running ads over here. Now what we are going to do is we are already using Advantage Plus audience in Advantage Plus shopping campaign. So here we are going to change something and we will be switched to original audience. Generally, I always use original audiences over Advantage Plus audiences. Advantage Plus audiences are not stable in these manual sales campaign. So here we are not going to change anything, and this will be our broad campaign. Broad, here we are not going to change anything. Open, age, gender, locations, Placements are always advantage plus placements. Now we are going to create a different audience. Here we are going to choose interest, for example online shopping. Keep these things in mind because there are now employers, employees and interest. So always choose interest over here. Click on online shopping. Now you will have a question that why we are using interest. Right now, do not use this online shopping. Just go to the back time frame and see what kind of interest that used to perform in your in those days, right? There has to be some kind of interest that you are using, but they die out after few months, right? I want you to see what three interests that used to work in your ad accounts and put it over here and choose only one interest at a time. Now let's create another ad set with different interest. For example, luxury goods. So these are the interests that used to perform in your ad account previously. You need to put around 2 to 3 that can be used over here. Let's add another one. First interest that we use is online shopping. Second is luxury good. If you have another one, create another ad set, right? And fourth interest, I'm just saying for the sake that if you are getting good results with any of your lookalike audiences in previous time. I'm not saying that you should go with the lookalike. If you have a lookalike audience percentage like 1 to 2%, 2 to 3% of any particular source, like for add to carts or something purchases, put that custom audience over here and name it as a lookalike. Now here you have in manual sales campaign, you have 4 audiences: online shopping, luxury goods, lookalike, broad. And here we are using CPO right now, right? So we are not managing budget on ad set level, we are managing budget on campaign level. So whatever the Facebook thing is the best audience, because this is not the time to argue which is better, which is wrong. Here we want to get the maximum out of this Black Friday and this holiday season. There will be time that you can debate that interests are better, broads are better, lookalikes are better. Whatever thing that was working previously in your ad accounts, maybe it's a lookalike, maybe it's an interest, choose 3 to 4 audiences from there and put it over here. Do not mix them and let the Facebook be the best judge for it. So we are done with our 2 prospecting campaigns where one is sales campaign, another one is the advantage plus shopping campaign, and we have already used $800 out of $1,000. Now we have $200. Now what you can do is create 2 more campaigns. I'll just show you all the things that you can create. Hit the manual sales campaign. Now here we will be targeting people who have already interacted with our business. So it's a retargeting campaign. Here we will be using CBO only, and we will be putting our $100 as a budget because we only have $200 left. So we will be using $100 for this campaign. Right, hit the next button, click on the ad set. So obviously we will be using original audiences. In the custom audiences, I want you to put all website visitors. Right, you can put 30 days, 90 days, whatever that suits you. Untick this advantage custom audiences and create a custom audiences for add to carts in 90 days, checkouts in 90 days. Put it over here and you can just name this as the all website visitors 180 days or the custom audiences that you want to put over here. And we will be using advantage plus placements, no doubts over here. And here we are not excluding people who have bought from us. We want all our website visitors who have already bought from us to be in this audiences, right? So here we are not excluding anybody. Just quick duplicate engaged audiences on Instagram and Facebook, right? So it will be IG and FB engagers in 90 days or 180 days or 30 days, depending on the volume of the people that you in these custom audiences. So if you have a good organic social presence, then obviously you can increase it or you can decreasing, depending on it. Totally depend on the size of the people who are in this custom audiences, right? One more campaign that you can launch is to be on the safer side and cover all the track is return campaign. You can say that why you are creating so many campaigns. Here, if you have a big brand, right, you have lot of customers, you cannot just reach each and everybody. That's why I am segmenting these types of audiences so you can reach a large pool of audiences, because we want to make maximum number of sales in this time frame. If we neglect our current customers or our top of the funnel customers, then we will not be able to get the maximum out of these holiday sales or in the fourth quarter. So whole point is to get the maximum out of this fourth quarter. Here we will be using $100 that is left, and we will just create a simple one ad set with all our current customers, that is website visitors. Choose the purchase and it make it 180 days, purchase 180 days, and whatever the audience and whatever the CRM that you are using, it can be Shopify, Klaviyo, upload the list of the people and put it over here in the custom audiences. And please untick this, because if you tick this, it will convert, it will start reaching out to the new people that we do not want, because we have separate campaigns for that. So you do not need to click this. If you click this, it will become a top of funnel campaign, and we already have that campaign, so avoid doing that. So as you can see, we have one retention campaign, one advantage plus shopping campaign, one sales campaign. This is for prospecting, this is also for prospecting. These are for the people who are already engaged with us, these are the people who have already bought from us. So we are covering all the checks where we can target our people. So $100, $400, yeah, so it will be $1,000 of ad budget that we have used. You can, if you have $500 budget or more budget, you can decide on that basis. So this is the structuring part, budgeting part, and how you want to strategize your sales campaigns. Now let's talk about what kind of ad creatives that you can create. Creating the ad creatives in the Black Friday is so easy, because here we are pushing one offer. If you are giving 70% off, push it on all the ad creatives. If you want to give something special to the customers, it's fine. Just create a single offer and run it all over the paid social media and organic content. Push that single offer, because that offer will create so much revenue for your clients, for your business, that you will be amazed how concentrating on one offer will change the way you get the sales in the Black Friday or in the fourth quarter. So creating ad copies, ad creatives are simple. Just put a simple banner on whatever the media file that you are using. I prefer to use static images in the Black Friday because CPMs are little bit cheaper over here. Generally in Black Friday and Cyber Monday, I generally ask clients to create a simple static image and put your Black Friday offer. Save 30%, Black Friday 40%. Please do not, if you have an offer that is like Black Friday save up to 20% offer, please don't even run it. You need to have minimum of 40 to 30% off in your site wise. Black Friday sale 30% off, 40% off over here also. Simple images, it's not something that is very different. Buy two get any third free up to 70% off, right? Biggest discount ever, $50 off. So what you can do is, whatever the creatives that are working for you, it can be image or video. If it is a video, then just put a banner on that image that stating your offer, something like this: buy two get any third free, 7% off, 20% off. So I would suggest you to go with the image ads and push your budget on that, because it will reach out to each and everybody. If you are beginner, you should definitely go with the image ads also. I have brands who are spending more than 10k or 20k, and they are also focusing on images, because they image in front of the people in these times will be cheaper, and they will be able to get the most of the people on their store. We are reaching out to the new people also, and we will be reaching out to the current customers also. So I hope you get this video. If you need help from me regarding Black Friday, you can reach out to me using the link in description. I can guide you, I can consult you. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button. Thank you.